Hey guys, welcome back. This is Juan Mazo. I want to give you guys the number one piece of advice that I recommend for, high school seniors, freshmen getting into college, and that is dare to dream big. Why do I recommend you dare to dream big? Set ambitious goals. Think of this old line, aim for the stars and land on the moon. That's really how things occur. When you come out with ambitious goals, you find yourself always executing against them, towards them. Just everything in you, your resources, your skills, they all revolve around reaching these goals. Now, don't get me wrong, I highly recommend you set some more achievable goals, but dream big for what you currently are at. For example, at the age of 18, my goal for my whole life, short 18 years of my life, was to get a mortgage. None of my parents had a house, very few of my family members had their own houses, and for me, I wanted to be a homeowner. I knew that all the little things that I knew in life, I knew that property was one way to get financial freedom. What happens when you set goals that are easily achieved is that you run out of drive, right? So by the age of 24, I ended up having 3 apartments. And I was like, this is it. This is all I got left. Like, do I die at this point? Like, do I just chill? Do I just wait around? No, set more goals. Now, that was actually a very acceptable goal. Just understand that whatever goals you do set, that you need to find new ones. Now, let's go back to the age of 18. Imagine you're a celebrity, you want to be a celebrity, right? Or you want to be a big time musician. When you're 18, the world just seems like anything is achievable to you. And that feeling goes away. Benjamin Franklin once said, most people die around 75, and I'm paraphrasing, but some people die at 25, they just bury them at 75. What does that mean? So imagine me at the age of 24, I have my apartments, and I'm like, dude, what do I do now? Do I just find a wife and settle down and get married and do the normal human thing? For some people, that's totally okay, but for me, it was completely not okay. I achieved my goals, and I actually was at a loss to what to do. But at the age of 18, if you were trying to be a celebrity, you probably could hit those goals. If you want to be a big time artist, musician, you can hit those goals. And hopefully you hit them by the time you're 25. And if not, just keep trying. Eventually life catches up and things have to happen. But if you can always maintain that passion in you, you're going to be fine in life. You never want to be those people who just say, well, I just want a normal 9-to-5. I just want to be able to just afford my house. That's it. And then they get bored, and then they go through a midlife crisis and so on and so forth, or their quarter life crisis. They can't find a job after college scenario. It's because they just were not passionate enough about what they wanted to do. They just wanted to get married. They just want to settle down. They just want to have kids. Your kids hit 18, you start questioning a lot of things. But if you're super passionate about everything and you dare to dream big and you have these big goals that you can achieve or that you feel you can achieve, I highly recommend you swing for the fences and make it happen. That's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post those comments below. If you want, shoot me private messages, DMs, add me on all the social media networks. I'm dropping some more knowledge, dropping more fire. Hopefully you guys get some level of use out of these things. And again, if you were stuck, I hope you're now a little bit more unstuck and more clear on what you got to do. Thanks for watching.